We're using Tulip matte soft fabric paint to paint the squishies, and my daughter's using a yellow and a brown mixed together with a little bit of white to make the colour for a waffle cone. I'm going to paint the seahorse, and I'm painting that with orange first and covering the whole thing with the orange. Then I'm going to add some extra details with the yellow just to the little raised parts on my squishy, and then I'm going to go for some blue for the eye and a little bit of blue to add depth to it as well. So the little indented bits I'm going to add blue to. The thing that's really awkward about painting squishies though is the drying time is 4 hours, so you have to keep waiting between layers, because if you need to do the opposite side of your squishy, you can't lay it down while it's still wet because it tends to stick to the surface that you're painting it on. We're just using some water to clean our brushes in between, and we've got some paper towel to keep drying off the brushes as well, but you can mix it with a little bit of water to get like a thinner coat if you want to. And here's my finished seahorse squishy. You can see the little blue lines on there and the yellow lines as well for highlights. And here's my daughter's unicorn and ice cream cone. So when I have a go at painting some squishies yourself, I'd love to see what you do.